In business, data is extremely important. If you are marketing or running a business with a large amount of data, you must understand what people want, what they require, and so on. Only by understanding this data, you will know the market, the business, and customer requirements. However, if the data is in the paper format and contains 1,000 rows, it is difficult to understand and work with, consuming a significant amount of time. But what if we present the data in a pie chart or graph chart using visualization and show it in a more appealing way to the stakeholders or to the organization? And this is possible with the tool Power BI. So, before we begin, like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech content from Edureka's YouTube channel. Also check out Edureka's Microsoft Power BI certification training by PwC Academy. The link to the website is in the description box below. In this video, I'll explain how Power BI evolved. Why is Power BI regarded as an emerging leader in business analytics? What is Power BI? How does Power BI work? What are multiple source connectors? What are the top 6 jobs for Power BI professionals? And is Power BI the future of Excel? Then, how do we determine if one of these Power BI roles is the right fit? Finally, we will move to the conclusion. Now, I want you to relax yourself and pay attention to this video. Now, let's get started. Power BI, initially designed by Ron George in 2010 as Project Crescent, debuted in July 2011 by SQL Server codenamed Denali. Renamed Power BI, it was unveiled for Office 365 in September 2013, evolving from Excel add-ins like Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. Microsoft expanded Power BI with features like natural language Q&A, enterprise-level data connectivity, and security through Power BI gateways. It offers cloud-based services, that is Power BI Service, and a desktop tool, that is Power BI Desktop, supporting data preparation, mining, and interactive dashboards. A key milestone was the 2016 launch of Power BI embedded on Azure, enhancing integration and custom visualizations, one of its standout features. Why is Power BI regarded as an emerging leader in business analytics? Power BI is viewed as an emerging leader in business analytics due to its comprehensive, user-friendly, and scalable capabilities. First, we will see how analysts use Power BI. Analysts use Power BI to create interactive data visualization from various data sources and share critical business insights throughout the organization. Now let's see Power BI for IT. Power BI is a tool that simplifies management, ensuring compliance and secures data while providing users with the insights they need. Because most employees in the organization already use Microsoft products, using Power BI reduces training and support costs by incorporating these familiar tools into your enterprise BI deployment. Lower implementation costs. It can be deployed and managed in the same way that Office 365 and other Microsoft solutions are used in your organization. It helps you keep track of your enterprise data. It centralizes control over data access and use, including on mobile devices, establish and monitor policies, detect anomalies, and act. Next, we will see Power BI for developers. They integrate Power BI into applications, websites, and portals. To contextualize your business data, embed stunning, interactive data visuals in applications, websites, portals, SharePoint, Microsoft Teams, and more. Using Power BI REST APIs and the Power BI SDK, developers can easily embed interactive reports and dashboards, ensuring that your users have consistent, high-fidelity experiences across devices. Now let's have a look at what is Power BI. Power BI is a suite of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to transform disparate sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Your data could be an Excel spreadsheet or a combination of cloud-based and on-premises hybrid data warehouses. Power BI enables you easily connect to your data sources, visualize and discover what's important, and share it with whomever you want. Now let's move to how does Power BI work. Power BI does not need any complex coding. It operates in following 3 steps. The first step is create, that is to connect your data wherever it lives. Then explore your data with stunning interactive visualizations. Moving to the next step, that is collaborate and share. Publish reports and dashboards, collaborate with your team, and share insights inside and outside of your organization. The last step is access insights from anywhere. Take action with seamless access to insights from your desk or while on to go with Power BI apps built by Microsoft, your partners, and your organization. Next, let's see what are multiple source connectors used in Power BI. Power BI provides a wide range of connectors for integrating data from various sources, allowing users to create comprehensive analytics. These connectors are compatible with a wide range of systems, providing flexibility for a variety of business requirements. Here is an overview of it. First, we have is SQL Server, then Excel, next is Azure SQL Database, SharePoint, Salesforce, last is a web data. These connectors allow users to consolidate data from various environments, whether on-premises, cloud-based or hybrid, streamlining the data preparation and reporting processes in Power BI. Next, let's see what are the top 6 jobs for Power BI professionals. First, we have is a Power BI analyst. A Power BI analyst is a professional who analyzes data and provides actionable insights using Power BI's interactive dashboards and reports. They play an important role in converting raw data into meaningful business intelligence to aid decision-making processes. The skills needed for Power BI analyst are experience in manual testing for reporting and analytics dashboards. Then, knowledge of testing methodologies, SDLC, and data validation. Proficiency in designing test cases and using tools like Jira or TestRail. Agile or Scrum experience and strong problem-solving skills. Then, excellent communication and multitasking abilities. Last skill is bachelor's degree in computer science or related field that is preferred. Here I put a screenshot of company Oracle where they're hiring for a business intelligence analyst. Here is the skills part where I've already explained to you. Now let's see the responsibilities. Developing comprehensive dashboards and reports for visualizing data. Engaging in data modeling to support analytics platform. Then, partnering with stakeholders to translate business requirements into technical solutions. Last is maintaining and enhancing the performance of existing database platforms. Now let's take a look at the salary of a BI analyst. The average annual salary in India for the entry level is 12 lakh per year. And for the mid-level, it is 17 lakh per year. Lastly, for the senior level, it is 20 lakh per year. Now let's see the salary in US. For the entry level, it is $57,000 per year. And for the mid-level, it is $75,000 per year. And lastly, for the senior level, it is $99,000 per year. If you're ready to use your data skills to make a real difference, becoming a Power BI analyst could be the perfect fit. Every day, you'll be at the forefront of the data revolution, assisting businesses in uncovering valuable insights to help them make better decisions. Now let's see Data Visualization Specialist. Data Visualization Specialists in Power BI transform complex data into compelling visual stories, while other Power BI roles concentrate on data analysis and modeling. This role is all about developing interactive dashboards and reports that make data simple to understand and act on. The goal is to present data in a way that both visually appealing and meaningful, allowing it to influence important business decisions. Now let's see the key skills for Data Visualization Specialist role. First is data analysis and interpretation. Skilled in analyzing large and complex data sets to identify patterns and trends. Skilled in interpreting data and effectively communicating insights to technical and non-technical stakeholders. Next is visualization development. Expertise in designing and developing interactive and static visualizations using tools like Tableau, Power BI or similar platforms. Ability to collaborate with cross-functional teams to gather requirements and create impactful dashboards. The next skill we have is data storytelling. Expert at translating data finding into narrative that supports strategic business decisions. Experience in presenting insights to reports, presentations, and visualizations. The next skill we have is data quality and validation. Strong focus on ensuring the accuracy and integrity of visualized data through rigorous validation processes. Collaboration with data engineers and analysts to improve overall data quality. The next skill is the technical skills. Proficiency in data manipulation and analysis using SQL, Python, or R. Understanding of best practices in data visualization design and storytelling. The last is communication and problem solving. Excellent communication skills for conveying technical concepts to non-technical audiences. Strong analytical and problem-solving abilities to handle complex data sets effectively. Here I've put a screenshot of a geo company hiring data visualization specialist. And here are also the skills that is mentioned, which I've already explained in the skills part. Now let's see the responsibilities followed. First, create clear, impactful dashboards and reports. Then, present data trends and patterns to make them strategic decisions. Clean and prepare the data sets for analysis. Lastly, collaborate with teams to understand data requirements. Now let's take a look at the salary. The average annual salary in India is, for the entry level, it is 7 lakh per year. And for the mid-level, it is 11 lakhs per year. And for the senior level, it is 25 lakhs per year. Similarly, let's see the average annual salary in US. For the entry level, it is $60,000 per year. And for the mid-level, it is $89,000 per year. Lastly, for the senior level, it is $130,000 per year. Organizations rely on data visualization specialists to turn raw data into actionable insights. By making data accessible, they enable data-driven decisions at all levels. Let's see the next job role, that is Power BI developer. Looking to turn your raw data into game-changing business insights, this is a raw mission of Power BI developer. While other Power BI professionals concentrate on analysis, Power BI developers live and breathe the technical aspects of business intelligence solutions. They are the experts who create the data models, create the visualizations, and combine them into powerful dashboards. Now let's take a look at the key skills. First, proficiency in multiple technologies. Then, basics of architecture and design. Next, knowledge of testing tools and agile methodologies. Understanding project life cycles, activities, and estimation methods. Next we have is awareness of quality processes and business domains. Strong analytical, technical, and problem-solving skills. Next we have is knowledge of software quality assurance and solid design principles. Awareness of latest technologies and trends. Last is the effective communication and debugging skills. Here I've added a screenshot of a job description of a Power BI developer, where Deloitte company hires a Power BI developer consultant. So, beside is the skills given, which I've already explained in the skills part. Now let's see the responsibilities. You will design and build elegant data models to support stellar analytics. Bring data to life with interactive dashboards and visuals that will impress stakeholders. Optimize data pipelines to keep everything running smoothly as the data grows. Lastly, collaborate with teams to plan BI projects that meet businesses' objectives. Now let's take a look at the salary for a BI developer. And the average annual salary in India for entry level is 19 lakh per year. And for the mid level, it is 21 lakh per year. And for the senior level, it is 23 lakh per year. Similarly, let's take a look at the salary in US. So, the average annual salary in US for the entry level is $97,000 per year. And for the mid level, it is $112 per year. And for the senior level, it is $140,000 per year. Power BI developers play an important role in enabling organizations to make the most of their data. Anyone interested in technical side of data analytics will find it both challenging and rewarding. If this sounds like you, becoming a Power BI developer could be a great fit. Now let's move to the next job role, that is Power Platform developer. Looking for a position that combines data analysis and hands-on solution development, consider becoming a Power Platform developer. This tech professional distinguished themselves by not only delving into data, but also developing end-to-end business solutions with Microsoft's powerful suite of tools. The key skills they have is, first, Power Platform expertise, proficiency in Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. Experience in Power Visual Agents for chatbot development. The next skill is Microsoft technologies, strong knowledge of Dynamics 365, SharePoint, and Azure services, familiarity with Dataverse. The next skill is customization and development. Ability to create custom connectors and APIs. Proficiency in JavaScript, C++, and .NET for advanced customizations. The next skill is data management. Experience with data modeling, integration, and migration. Knowledge of SQL, Dataverse, and other database systems. Next we have is the workflow automation. Building and optimizing workflows using Power Automate. The last skill we have is UI UX design. Designing user-friendly applications with a focus on responsiveness and accessibility. Here is a screenshot that I have put from the HCL Tech company hiring Power Platform developer. And the skills are also given here. Now let's see the responsibilities. Create and implement strong data models to support business analytics. Create interactive dashboards and reports that bring data to life. Optimize and troubleshoot BI tools integration and performance. Lastly, collaborate with stakeholders to translate business requirements into BI solutions. Now let's take a look at the salary. The average annual salary in India for the entry level is 8 lakh per year. And for the mid-level, it is 17 lakh per year. Lastly, for the senior level, it is 20 lakh per year. Similarly, let's see the average annual salary in US. For the entry level, it is $96,000 per year. And for the mid-level, it is $115,000 per year. And lastly, for the senior level, it is $148,000 per year. With a growing demand for data-driven insights and automated solutions, Power Platform developers are becoming a more valuable asset to modern businesses. It's an excellent career path for anyone who enjoys problem solving, learning cutting-edge tools, and making a genuine difference with the power of data. The next job role we have is a Power BI consultant. Power BI consultants are versatile experts in field of business intelligence. Unlike other roles that specialize in specific tasks, these professionals provide a comprehensive range of services to assist organizations in making best use of their data. The key skills they have is expertise in Power BI, where DAX, Power Query, Service, desktop visualizations, and mobile dashboards. The next skill is strong knowledge of Azure, data storage, and SQL. Next, we have a good understanding of DWH concepts, that is ETL, dimensional modeling. Then, experience in access control and data security implementation. Then, proven ability to work independently at client locations. Lastly, excellent communication skills. Here I've put a screenshot of the Fragma Data Systems company, where they hire Power BI and data visualization consultant. And the skills are also mentioned here, which I've already explained in the skills part. Now let's move to the responsibilities. Firstly, develop and implement data analysis best practices. Then, create robust data models to meet complex BI requirements. Lastly, drive strategic initiatives to improve the organization's BI capabilities. Now let's take a look at the salary. The average annual salary in India is, for the entry level, it is 11 lakh per year. And for the mid-level, it is 40 lakh per year. Lastly, for the senior level, it is 44 lakh per year. Similarly, let's see the average annual salary in US. For the entry level, it is $100,000 per year. And for the mid-level, it is $124,000 per year. Lastly, for the senior level, it is $145,000 per year. In many ways, Power BI consultants are the keystone of an organization's BI efforts. Their broad skill set and strategic perspective help tie together data streams to surface insights that drive the business forward. Let's see the last job role, that is a financial analyst in Power BI. Financial analysts who use Power BI stand out for their ability to combine data from various sources and create insightful visualizations. These professionals can use Power BI's powerful features to create interactive dashboards, run complex what-if analysis, and generate detailed financial reports. This enables organizations to make more informed strategic decisions. The key skills needed are 1+ year of finance experience, expertise in budgeting, planning, forecasting, and reporting. Then, experience using data for business decision making. Next we have is the knowledge of financial controls and procedures. Then, CA articleship in progress. Lastly, 18 months of internship or articleship remaining. Here is a screenshot that I've taken from the Amazon company, where they hire the financial analyst intern, that is AMZI finance team. The skills are given here, which I have already explained. Now let's take a look at their responsibilities. Include analyzing large volumes of financial data to identify trends and forecast future scenarios. Creating dynamic, interactive financial reports and dashboards that offer deep insights into the businesses. Lastly, working with other teams to ensure financial data accuracy and completeness. Now let's take a look at the salary. The average annual salary in India is, for the entry level, it is 5 lakh per year, and for the mid-level, it is 7 lakh per year, and lastly, for the senior level, it is 10 lakh per year. Similarly, the average annual salary for US is, for the entry level, it is $87,000 per year. For the mid-level, it is $177,000 per year, and for the senior level, it is $186,000 per year. Financial analysts play an important role in assisting organizations in understanding their financial health and making informed, data-driven decisions. They provide invaluable advice to help businesses succeed by combining their financial expertise with Power BI skills. Have you ever thought, is Power BI the future of Excel? Power BI is not a replacement for Excel, but rather a complement, representing the future of advanced data analytics and business intelligence. While Excel is useful for calculations, data manipulation, and light reporting, Power BI excels in interactive dashboards, data visualization, and managing large data sets with complex relationships. However, Excel remains useful for detailed financial models, ad hoc analysis, and spreadsheet-based workflows. Power BI and Excel frequently collaborate with Power BI importing and visualizing data from Excel, ensuring that both tools remain relevant in the business environment. I hope you have a clear understanding of all the job roles in Power BI, and is Power BI the future of Excel as well. Now, how do we determine if one of these Power BI roles is a right fit? As we have seen, each Power BI role has its own set of responsibilities and required skills. A Power BI analyst primarily analyzes data and creates visualizations, whereas a Power BI developer delves deeper into the technical aspects of designing data models and building dashboards. To determine the appropriate Power BI role, firstly, math skills. Evaluate your technical and soft skill. Next, career interests. Select based on your passion, design, or insights. Lastly is the future goals. Align your job responsibilities with your long-term goals, whether technical expertise or leadership. Now we'll move on to the conclusion. When you compare all the business analysis tools, Power BI is one of the tools that is 80% lower in cost. And that is one of the reasons Power BI is leading. Most of the Power BI features are free, and some of the advanced features are only paid. Power BI jobs open up a world of possibilities by combining technical skills with business storytelling, from creating dynamic dashboards to shaping enterprise strategies. These roles enable you to turn data into impact. It's your path to success in a data-driven future. With that said, we have come to an end to this Power BI jobs video. If you enjoyed it, please be kind enough to like it. And you can comment on any doubts and queries. We will reply to them as soon as possible. Do look out for more videos and playlists and subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you for watching and happy learning.